I don't have place to store my posters, so my posters get ruined easily. I have decided to spend some money on laminating my posters so that they last longer. But one of my colleagues used adhesive because it's cheaper. I rolled up my posters, put them in the toilet roll, and then I store them in the box. By labeling them, I can track them back to me. To store my posters in this way, it makes it easier to access them. One of my colleagues put her posters in a garbage bag. She labels it and then she puts it flat on the cupboard. This helps with the posters being durable. And I can easily put them away when the homework assistant comes and use my classroom after school.